Hey guys, welcome back to my channel one more time. So today we will learn what is the most important thing in affiliate marketing and dropshipping. From what does a complete beginner starts? So I will ask the question on affiliate marketing because that's my area of specialization. First, affiliate marketing, nothing is important because everything works together to make one's affiliate marketing business very successful. But there are required steps one has to follow to be successful in the affiliate marketing. Whether you are beginner or an old guy in the game, so you will always need strategies. For every business in the world, which includes affiliate marketing, one thing must be done, and that is advertisement. Advertisement, like I always say, is the soul of every business today. Without advertisement, no one will know what you sell or what service you offer. Before you run off to the start advertising your product, you need to ask yourself some questions, which are: how can I run a compelling advertisement? Obviously, you are not the only one in that line of the business. So your advertise should be more compelling than your competitors. Hence, you won't still get an eye look of to advertisement much more. Check your product or service out. When people click on your advertisement, where do they come from? Where do they from land from? Do they land on your web page, video, or social media? If they land on your web page, the question is how compelling, simple, short, and attention retaining is your copy or written copy. Keep the words simple. Use of big words or very unnecessary words is not going to help you. Using big words doesn't show your potential customer that you are smart. Instead, it makes them leave the page because no one will keep reading what he or she doesn't understand, not when he has options like reading your competitor's copy for that matter. So keep it short and simple. Aside the body of your copy, your headline matter a lot because that's what prompts your potential customer to click on your page. The ad picture too should also be very compelling and simple in look. Like there are some pictures that I have already posted in before videos in affiliate marketing process. So follow those process, and if you have started well, even as a beginner, you can also share the answer so that more people can benefit from this one, and you can start your first affiliate marketing with this. So guys, put up your strategies and start your affiliate marketing for your products and start earning money today. Thank you guys.